Well, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then right here you'll see two reservoirs. This is your main coolant reservoir you'd add to, and if it got really low you might need to check under this cap as well. This is the top of your radiator. And when you work with the system, you want to make sure it's turned off and cooled down. You never want to open these up while it's hot, just because this liquid can get to a boil, and it's also a pressurized system, so you don't want a bunch of boiling poison to shoot out onto you. But when you're ready to add, this is the main area you add to, but you look towards the side, there's a full mark down there. So you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. You'll fill it just a little ways up here. And check your owner's manual or good online source that you've got the best type of coolant for your make and model. And typically too, you also want to match the same color and brand of coolant that's already in here. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, you'll just unscrew this cap, and either with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just add as needed till you're around the full marks. Screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And if you do need to check in here, you'll just push down slightly and twist about twice, and this will pop right off. And then you see coolant just right here on the top. And you can, again, add as needed. And then make sure when you screw this back on, make sure it is nice and tight, because you don't want a bunch of coolant to spray out when you start this vehicle. And once you've done all that, then I would make sure, I would probably start the vehicle, run it for a few minutes, circulate that new coolant. And as that's running, I would kind of check around all the engine bay, through all the lines, under the car, around the radiator, see if you see any coolant start to puddle. Because if there is, that might be an indication that's an area that needs fixed, repaired, replaced in some way. And a way to tell liquids apart from coolant is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it versus, say, like water condensation. Should have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin, but see you have a glove on and feel it. Coolant will feel slightly slick compared to what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.